Look at it. Hey guys, today we're gonna make a really fun recipe by Miss Paris Hilton, who has her own cooking show on Netflix. So today we're gonna make her fluffy frittata. So another breakfast for our dinner. We're so excited.
Let's get started. So for this recipe, you will need a blender and a cast iron skillet. You start with 6 eggs, which I've already cracked to save time. And for the seasoning, it's pretty basic. It's a trifecta of garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. I think I said a pinch of salt and pepper too. I don't know, I'm not going to put too much salt in it because there's Italian seasoning in there. I don't tend to put too much salt in my eggs anyway.
I don't need your judgment, Gina.
I didn't know you were putting a lot of salt in as I was saying I don't need much. All right, we are not going to blend this. We are going to put it to the side.
Okay.
Next up.
So now we're going to crisp up our bacon. So we cut 3 strips of bacon into maybe like a 1/2 inch, and then we're gonna crisp it up for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna be ready to do our frittata.
The thing about this recipe I found kind of funny was she says 10 small tomatoes. So I did watch the show Cooking with Paris, which is on Netflix, to see what she meant by small tomatoes. So she means grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. I guess it's Paris language.
Oh no, I haven't watched that episode, but I did watch her make the lasagna on YouTube.
Oh, was that her first one?
And she made it with gloves on, you know, like leather gloves on the whole time. You know, I have OCD, so I'm like, oh my god, she's gonna get sauce on it. Like, why is she doing this to my nerves?
She's wearing gloves in this one, but it's like the Madonna from Dress You Up in My Love Days.
Oh my
Lace
god.
gloves. All right, I'm scared because now I've got this piping hot skillet, and now I'm gonna add these juicy wet tomatoes to this pan. If you know anything about cooking or grease fires, ouch!
We have everything already in here, and we're just going to blend it for about 15 to 20 seconds so it's nice and fluffy.
We almost forgot this. Add the heavy cream. We are going to pour the egg mixture without draining the bacon first. But we're gonna pour it right in. Okay, and then I think all we do from here, sprinkle on 1/2 cup of Parmigiana.
Stick it in the oven, 400, 12 to 15 minutes, or keep your eye on it.
Look at this. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. I think hers was like more evenly fluffy, but it's fluffy.
Fluffy. Oh, you know what I was gonna say? Mine is steaming, and you know what? That's hot. I hate myself. Okay, let's go.
This is good. I mean, I'm not totally surprised because everything we put in it is good, so altogether that's good. But the texture is nice and presentation is different. I like it. This is good.
I like this frittata. I've had frittata before where it's been like a little heavy. This is fluffy. I love it. Good job, Paris Hilton. I mean, not that I wasn't expecting it, but like you just never know. It's always like, can celebrities cook? Can Paris Hilton cook? Doesn't she have people cooking for her?
Well, when her and Kim made it and then tasted it, they both were like super impressed with themselves, and they said they couldn't believe they made it and it tasted like it was from their restaurant. So you know they eat at good restaurants. So if they liked it, then I was thinking this is gonna be good. So if you're in the mood for something quick, maybe a little different, or you've got company over and you want to impress them, then we highly recommend the Paris Hilton Fluffy Frittata. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video. Bye. Ooh, that sounds good. Can you hear it? Smackety smackety.
Oh, here's the test. Not dripping. Yay, we did something right for once.